I love McDonald's. McDonald's is so delicious. Okay, can't believe we're here. Can't believe we're here. When I get my Happy Meal, I'm gonna put it in my bed and we are gonna go home. Also, it's charging up too. Oh yeah. Oh my god, I can't believe we're here at McDonald's. Wait, who's gonna order? Not me. Not me. Who's driving? I don't know. Who cares? Oh, I'm gonna go trying to go ask them to get a Happy Meal. Oh, there's someone's driving. Okay, someone's driving. We just snuck into the car. I think he's hearing you. I mean, she's hearing you. No, she can't hear me. Right. Okay. Okay.
Can I get a cheeseburger kids meal, no onions and no pickles? With extra fries and a Coke?
Coke's good.
No, that'll be it. Thank you.
Oh, that's delicious. Where's my purse? Happy Meal! No. Happy Meal's gonna come. You're right. I'm gonna go take a rest and try to wake me up. Okay. Hey, look, it's on full battery. Okay. It's on full battery. Wait, look. Does anybody want hot dogs? Oh, yeah, I want hot dogs. Hot dogs are good, one, right? Yeah. I'm just kidding, there's no hot dogs. Who cares? I'm gonna get in your car. Also, you can share my Happy Meal too. Okay. You could be behind me. We're gonna just play something. Okay. I'm gonna play jokes. Okay, I'm gonna be in the front. So guys, how are you doing? So yeah. Okay. I guess they're talking. And I need to tell something. Why do you have that puppet in your hand? Oh. He's Bonbon. Well, I'm a puppet. I'm a puppet too. That's why I'm called Shark Puppet. Eee! Also, this bed feels comfy. It's made out of sponges. Yeah. I'm gonna go get the Happy Meal. I'm gonna go get the Happy Meal.